Good morning, sunshine. I know. What? Are you a happy boy? Are you a happy boy? Oh, it's a happy boy. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi, Mom. Just sitting here, looking out the window. About to eat again. My belly just can't seem to get full enough. Say hi, Mom. Hi. Hey, kitty pie. Oh, Ollie says hello. Ollie says hi. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm not so happy now. Okay, Mama, we're going to go eat. Bye-bye.